Hi, today I'm for the Nokia G22 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So, uh, first hold the application and drag this up to another one. And by this way, we could see that we just successfully created the new home screen folder. If you want to move this folder on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold it and drag it by this way. To remove the application from the folder. Okay, so just first you should, if you want, you could give a name to the folder. Click on the name here and enter the new one. To rename it by the same way, click on the name and enter something another one. Just to move folder here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. To remove the application from here, you should just hold and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the home screen from the folder, hold it, drag it to remove icon. Or also, if you want to remove all of the applications with the folder together, you should just hold it and drag it to remove icon. But don't worry, you will remove only the item and all of your applications, they will just stay here in the apps menu. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.